What's up, man? How's it going?
Good, good. We're finally back on this baby, huh?
Yep. It's about that time, you know. All that weather, the rainy weather, they didn't let us do much out here. So now they barely stopped Sunday morning. Get cracking on this thing.
Anyways, so what's going on, guys? We're finally back. So we went ahead and pretty much disassembled the motor, as you guys as you guys can see. Here goes the head. So today we're just pretty much gonna put the head gasket on and just, I don't know, go as far as we can go with this thing. Hey, do you have a picture of how this looked before?
Yeah, sure I do.
If he has a picture of how the head looked before, I'll insert it now. I'll insert it now. But pretty much this thing was all gunky. It was just all to shit. And yeah, we weren't gonna fucking put the motor back in the car like that. So Alex went ahead and took the head to the machine shop. It's all clean, nice and pretty. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw the head on today. And if you guys didn't know or haven't seen Alex's car, if you guys haven't watched previous videos, this is this car, SC400. Soon to change that automatic to a manual. So yeah, this is his baby. That's my baby, if you guys haven't seen. I don't know if I showed this, but I got the stock coupe wing. I just think it looks classy. But yeah. Fresh.
Super fresh.
I think the general rule of thumb with those is they get hand tightened.
Yeah. So
I don't think it really matters which way it goes. Is it? Oh yeah, it does.
yeah, it does.
This goes on top. Yeah, that goes on the bottom.
Alright. Now we can put on the head.
Sweet. Fuck. Only on tip number fucking 3.
Hey man, well, we learn one way, right? The hard way.
You like it the long way?
We learn the hard way.
Alright guys, so we finally got the torque numbers that we need. So we're gonna do, so the first time around is gonna be 33, second time around is gonna be 66, and then he's gonna follow up and finish at 99 foot-pounds of torque, pound-feet. I hope Rad Dan watches this. Then he calls us up and be like, yo,
y'all wrong.
y'all wrong. I'm like,
And then I'm
fuck.
like, the king himself, we're fucked.
Shout out Rad Dan. Hit us up. We'll hit him up. Nah, hit me up too.
No, I don't think so. It's like less than what it's supposed to.
Alright. I want to get a little more serious. Nah.
Alright.
So now it's gonna get extra saucy.
Extra saucy for sure.
99.5 pound feet. All right. Break a leg, or in this case, a head stud.
You're like, I looked up ARP head float. Yeah, I looked up the exact limit. And that's exactly what I'm gonna tell you.
Shh, you need to concentrate,
That's a
dog.
lot of weight. You sure it's not thick? You sure?
Dick. Yes.
You sure?
Yeah. No way.
It happens. I have another one, but goes
Shut-
to
oh,
show that
oh.
99
Oh.
fucking a lot.
What were you saying? Shout out Craftsman. I told you that shit
This
would
is
hard.
not Craftman.
That shit wouldn't
This is
happen
not
with
Craftman.
Harbor Freight, dog.
This is Craftman.
Hey, wait.
This is Craftman.
Was that
This
mine?
is
No, that's
Gear
yours.
Wrench.
You motherfucker. Dude, I swear for a minute I thought you snapped the fucking head stud.
Are you sure that's it?
Yes, Dick, it says 3 sequences up to 100 foot-pounds.
This is mine though.
Alright guys, so we're on our last sequence. We're up to 99.5 pound-feet of torque. And we've already, well, he's already broken off an extension. And I want to say a socket, right? Did you break a socket?
I didn't break a socket. Oh, I stripped a socket.
Fuck.
So
We've done 1, 2. Did we finish? No, we haven't done 3
I
yet.
haven't done 3 yet.
So we're gonna do 3.
This is like pulling teeth.
This is fucking scary. Like
It's a
this
lot
is
of- I don't know. I haven't done this a lot, so for me, it's kind of like
this is fucking scary.
it's overwhelming sometimes.
Yeah.
Especially this much torque.
So
Alright.
let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down and let's do this. Oh my god. Sign of success. Number 4. Not too bad. Oh my god. Fuck this. That is the most nerve-wracking thing we've ever done,
dude. It's so fucking
My
nerve-wracking,
God.
bro.
I remember the first time we did it on my Honda. That was like whatever, but this, oh my god, dude, this shit is fucking. Oh my god, that's bad. That's so nerve-wracking. Fuck. Damn.
I think I don't have to pull this out ever again.
Woo.
Go to sleep.
Yeah,
Well.
fuck that. That's all we're doing for today, guys. But there it is. Got the head back on the block.
Oh, we gotta put those back on, but yeah.
Yeah, we'll put those back on. But yeah, dude. Whew, how do you feel?
It's like I said, it's nerve-wracking.
Hey, that was mine, you dick.
No, it's not.
Whatever.
I probably drink out of it.
Anyways, close out the video, homie.
Stay tuned. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. There's more to come. More better stuff to come. Yeah. I'm getting excited just thinking about it.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Nice.